In Instagram, we used to upload reels. Before uploading any reels, if you want to save that reel to your gallery, you can do that. In this video, we will be telling about how to save reels to gallery before uploading in Instagram. For this, open Instagram application. When you are opening Instagram application, down here you can see your profile photo. Click on your profile photo. When you are clicking on that, here down you can see one plus button, or above you can see one plus button. Click on either of this plus button. For example, I am clicking on this plus button. We want to upload reel. So I am selecting reel. After selecting reel, you will reach your gallery. From gallery, select any video or photo which you want to upload as reel. For example, I am selecting this video. After selecting that video, if you want to do any editing, you can do that. For example, I am adding one text to this video. After that, click on this done button, and if you want to add music, you can do that. And stickers, if you want to add, you can do that. Anyways, after every editing is completed, down here you can see some options. Last here you can see one save button. Just click on this save button. When you are clicking on that, you can see some options. Here you can see one option, save to camera roll. Click on save to camera roll. When you are clicking on that, you can see processing. Wait for few seconds. This processing will be completed. When that processing is completed, this video will be saved to your gallery. Now here you can see video saved. After that, if I am going to my gallery, I can see that video here. Here you can see this is the video. So this way you can easily save Instagram reels to your gallery before uploading in Instagram. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.